Hello and welcome to the premiere telecast of Love Notes. Our story today is from Trisha Ferrero of Quezon City. She's asking us, how does a girl bear the pain of losing someone she dearly loves? And here goes her story. Dear Joe, first of all, I would like to congratulate you and the rest of your staff. I'm an avid listener of Love Notes, and your advices are fascinating, but I made myself ask for one. Just call me Trisha, 17 years old, and a senior from an exclusive school here in Quezon City. My story began when Michael went home from the States last year. Michael's family and my family are friends, so we sort of became childhood sweethearts. We've grown from diaper years through childhood. We've been playmates, classmates, and the best of friends.
Okay na?
Wow! So,
Ito na sunog. Pero dapat maging natin